So the summer of 1991, my dad got me and my brother in our room and said, pack your stuff, boys, we're going to Canyon Lake for a week. Now, Canyon Lake was this mystical place to me. We didn't go on vacations growing up. As a family, it was a present from Grandpa. His week of timeshare at this incredible place called Canyon Lake that we only heard friends talk about at school. We get there, putt-putt golf, kids center that was awesome, incredible pool, freaking scavenger hunt. Went on the coolest scavenger hunt. Like the second day we were there, Dad let us bring the Nintendo. We get to do whatever we wanted to. Went crazy during that summer. And it was one of my favorite places I've been to on this earth for the next 5 years. What do you think me and my brother asked for from Grandpa? Can we do that week again, the Canyon Lake thing? And we got it, and it was awesome. So my best memories were made because of what you do. So thank you, first and foremost, Wyndham, for what you do for people and making vacations incredible experiences possible. My name's Dave Brown, and I'm going to be with you on Sunday, so literally next Sunday and literally next Monday, so a week from today, at 6 p.m. on both of those nights. Joe, Rob, and Ryan are splitting up the teams exactly to where they need to be, and we're going to do what's called an immediate results workshop, which is a powerful hour session that's going to give you some great things that you can walk out of the room and use right away to help you in your sales career. Technical sales techniques and also some mindset stuff to help you get out of your own way. We're also going to preview a coaching program, so that's one of the big reasons why I'm coming. We all need a coach. We all need help. I got 3 coaches because I'm really messed up, and this is a chance for you to at least check something out that could make you incredible in your career and for the next year of your life. So I look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much, Rob, Brian, Joe. Thank you so much for putting the thing together, and you all should feel very blessed for the leaders that you have. Just this little bit of time that I've gotten to get to know them, amazing people that care so much about your development and making you better. It's been so much fun putting together this workshop for you together with them because they actually care. And I've been in about thousands of offices with people that didn't, so you're lucky. Thanks for having me. I look forward to seeing you guys then. Again, Dave Brown, I'm a founding partner of Southwestern Consulting, and we're going to have an absolute freaking blast when I come see you on Sunday and Monday next week. Get excited. Look forward to seeing you then.